So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And finally, the insider emails for the March month is live. And here is the email. This is how our Arcade Insider email looks like. And the email update is that it contains all the points which you have earned from the January 5th till 28th of February. So if you are thinking that you have earned some points in March Arcade, then it won't be listed over here. It will be updated in the insider month of the April month. So this is a quick update I wanted to share. A detailed guideline will be live very soon. So stay tuned till the end. And here you can see whatever points you have earned from 5th of January till 28th of February will be reflected over here. Not the March points will be reflected. That does not mean your points are not safe. Your points are saved. You'll be getting everything. Stay tuned till the end. And how to count the points through this insider email, I'll make a video for that also. And in case you haven't received, means you haven't received this email, what things you need to do? First of all, you have to check your spam section of your email. And if you have, just check your spam section also. Make sure you have filled the subscription form which is listed over here, right? In case you haven't filled this subscription form, fill this form. You'll be getting the form. Means you'll be getting the insider email next month, that is mostly on April. But if you have filled already and haven't received the email, we'll talk about that also. So this was the quick update I wanted to share. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.